Let me show you how we can reset the secure folder password on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So if you open the secure folder and you don't remember the password, if you enter an incorrect password, you might be able to find the forgot password, pattern, or pin option somewhere at the bottom of the screen. Now, this option is available only if you have your Samsung account assigned into this secure folder. So if you did that, if you used your Samsung account to be able to recover the password, then now you can actually do so. You can tap on reset and follow the rest of the instructions in order to recover the password. This is, of course, this option over here, allow lock reset with Samsung account, which is accessible while creating the secure folder, or if you have access to the secure folder, then you can tap on these three dots and open settings. Then over here you can go to secure folder, lock, and biometrics, and in here you can of course find that option. But naturally, that is possible if you remember the password, and since we want to reset it, if you don't have this option enabled, then at this point you cannot really do that. So what you can do if you don't have the Samsung account attached to your secure folder, and if you enter an incorrect password, you don't have the option to reset it. In that case, you can go to settings, and then in settings, we can log out of our Samsung account. So if I go to accounts and the backup over here, then I can choose manage accounts, I can select my Samsung account, and I can remove my account over here. Of course, you will need to probably verify yourself. There might be some additional steps, but in some cases, it is not really necessary. In my case, I have to use phone number verification, or I need to enter the password. Alright, so once we sign out, if I now try to open the secure folder, there we go, I have this information that my Samsung account was removed, and I cannot really continue using the secure folder. So what I can do now is I can uninstall the secure folder from my phone. Of course, this means that everything that you have inside the secure folder is going to be completely erased. Of course, afterwards, I can sign back into my Samsung account, so let me quickly do so. Alright, and now we can create the secure folder again. So of course, we can go to security and privacy. Over here, we're gonna go to more security settings, and in here, we should be able to find the secure folder, and I can set it up again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.